Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northern Kent County in central Delaware, northeastern Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, northeastern Caroline County in eastern Maryland, east central Kent County in northeastern Maryland, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sutlersville, or 15 miles northeast of Centerville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Dover, Smyrna, Camden, Clayton, Cheswold, Millington, Sutlersville, Powers, Goldsboro, Woodside, Viola, Hartley, Delaney Corner, Rising Sun, Hazlettville, Dover Speedway, Woodland Beach, Green Spring, Dover Base Housing in Crumpton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is